Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a page with all your social media accounts at one place. Let me show you how to do it. So I will show you a quick demo. So this is how it will be. This website also provides a custom domain for you. So when you press linkly.com Vishnu, when you type this in Google, my page will be appeared here. As you can see, this is all my social media. This is my Instagram. So when you press this is, as you can see, this is Instagram, and this is Twitter. So as you can see, this is my Instagram and this is my Twitter, and this is my website, of course, technicalvishnu.com. So this is my website. So I linked everything, my WhatsApp, my blog, I had linked everything here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do this kind of page for free. So first of all, open a new window. So then go to Link.ly. So this is completely free, you don't need to pay a single rupee. So search Link.ly. So this is my page, it is opening. So this is linkly.com. So I will give this website link in description. You can go from there. Then you can press register. So they will ask an email. So if you don't want to give your own email, so you can also use a temporary email, which is not a real email, it's a fake mail. So if you don't want to give your real email to this website, you can use this website, which provides a temporary email address, tempmail-org.a. I will give this link in the description. So this is the temporary email which we are gonna use now. So just copy it and paste here. So take a random username. Let me show you. Okay, take a random username. I will Vishnu1234, and you can use any username, but this username will be linked to your domain, so you should use a better username for your link. Put any password, Vishnu1234, same password. Next, you can press sign up. So account has been created and a message sent you further email. So open this temporary email. You should not close this. So in an email will be come to this inbox. Okay, I think it is on the way. So as you can see, an email has arrived. So press this to confirm the email. As you can see, the thank you registration is now complete. Then you can now log in. So it is automatically logged in because this is the email I'm using. So when you press login, then you can press profile. Next you can go to your account. So this is the username. You can change it whenever you want. I'm changing it like Vishnu Techie. So if you want to change your password, you can type your password here. So if you also want to upload your profile picture, you can go to profile and you can choose file. Then you can choose any picture. I'm choosing this picture. So this is no need, you can use your any random email. I'm using the same email. So bio, you can write anything here. Temporary website, you can write anything if you want. So then uploaded the profile picture and the name Vishnu temporary. You can put any name for your page, that doesn't matter, and press save. So after you save, you can go to the links here. Then you can, I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna add any 3 links. So first I'm gonna link my Instagram. So this is my Instagram, it's my Instagram link. Then press save. So Instagram is set there. Then I'm gonna link my Twitter. So my Twitter is linked here. So this is my I'm gonna type my Twitter link. So this is my Twitter, as you can see. I'm gonna just add 3 links for showing how to do this. Then I'm gonna add my website. So this is my website. This is my website link. I'm gonna save. So that's it. So you can just go to your profile and check the details carefully and press view profile. So that's it. It is created. So you can change whatever picture you want. I had shown you before. This is just a temporary page I had created. But if you want if you want to change any of this, you need to remember the email which you have used before. You need to remember this email. As you can see, you need to remember this email. You need to note it somewhere down for logging in again to this site. So that's it. I'm gonna show you whether it works or not. As you can see, linklead.com/Vishnu1234. As you can see, it is working. Now I am pressing Instagram. So as you can see, everything is working now. So that's the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.